welcome back to my channel. From this channel, I'm gonna use Chinese to do the beginning and the ending. So the beginning, I'm gonna say 大家好,大家, it means everybody. 好 is good. So 大家好, it doesn't mean everybody good. It means hi everyone. Okay, so we say 大家好,大家好. At the beginning of this video, also, I have two questions I'm gonna ask you guys. The first one is, do you like to eat instant noodles? The second one is, do you know what instant noodles are the most popular recently? If you have watched Korean movie Parasite, you're gonna know the JJapaguri is the most popular instant noodles now. Actually, JJapaguri is two different kinds of instant noodles. You can see one is spaghetti, one is noguri. People mix them together and call it JJapaguri. If you search our website, you can see so many different recipes to make this JJapaguri. But today, I'm gonna use Chinese SAO ZI MIAN to make this JJapaguri. SAO ZI, it means topping. SAO ZI JJapaguri for today's video. For the SAO ZI, also it means topping. I'm gonna show you what I have prepared. Onion, celery, carrot, potato. Each of them is 100 grams. You also can see I already diced them. Also the important ingredient is this one, minced pork. I prepared 200 grams minced pork because we love meat. If you don't love meat that much, you don't use this meat, also it's okay, just vegetable. Also is okay, but if you use the meat, you can get a rich flavor. First, I'm gonna seasoning this minced pork. This is the teaspoon I use. So 1 spoon of sugar. I use white sugar. In Chinese, we say 白糖, 白糖. This is cooking wine I'm gonna use. 料酒, 料酒. 1 spoon. This is Korean fish sauce. In Chinese, we say 鱼露, 鱼露. 1 spoon. Last thing I'm gonna use sesame oil. We say 香油 for 2 spoons. Mix the seasoning with the pork together. After the seasoning, we should marinate this for 10 minutes. Next step, I'm gonna blanch vegetables, carrot, potato, and celery. These 3 ingredients need to be boiled. This carrot should put in boiling water for 30 seconds. 30 seconds is passed. I'm gonna blanch potato too. Potato also need to blanch for 30 seconds. Time's up. For the last, we need to blanch celery. Because celery is easy to be done, only need to blanch for 10 seconds. 10 seconds already passed. Okay, celery also done. Onion is really easy to be cooked, so we don't need to blanch these onions. This minced pork already marinated for 10 minutes. Now let's make the topping sauce. We need to use the high heater to heat it the wok. Now pour 1 spoon of cooking oil. We say 食用油. Let's put the meat in. Turn the heat into the medium. You can see the meat color has changed. Now let's add the vegetable in. First, carrot, potato, celery. Last, onion. I'm gonna seasoning this topping. I'm gonna use this instant noodles seasoning bag. See this one from JJapaguri. 1 bag of this. This seasoning bag from Noguri. I'm gonna use half. Then we can taste this topping. If it's not salty, we can put more. Because when we seasoning the pork, we used fish sauce. Fish sauce is a little salt. That's why I suggest use this seasoning bag a half first. After you taste, if it's not salty, put more. If it's salty, stop to using. Now, we need to add a big spoon of hot water. This is a half spoon of corn starch, and I use that mixed with the water. Okay, the topping sauce is done. We say SAO ZI. Now let's boil the noodles. We will boil the instant noodles now. You can see this instant noodles is a little thick, so we should boil it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is passed. Put the noodles in the bowl. See, this is the noodles. I already put the noodles in the bowl. Now we're gonna put the topping sauce. I have done today's JJapaguri. I use Chinese SAO ZI MIAN style make this. As we all know, instant noodles is unhealthy food, right? But we can use a healthy way to make that. Like me, use vegetables and meat, mix that. It's our Chinese time. The first Chinese word gonna be instant noodles. We say 方便面 in Chinese. 方便 convenience. 面 noodle. A kind of noodle can be convenient to eat. What's that? It's 方便面. What ingredients do I use? First one, celery. 芹菜. I have shared this word before. 芹菜. Second one, carrot. 胡萝卜. 胡萝卜. Potato. 土豆. 土豆. Onion. I also shared this word before. 洋葱. 洋葱. Pork. 猪肉. 猪肉. I also used white sugar. 白糖. 白糖. Fish sauce. 鱼露. 鱼露. This is all the words I want to share. Now we have 2 sentences going to share. But this is a kind of conversation. Like I ask you, what do you eat for lunch? You can answer, I gonna eat instant noodles. Let's do that. Lunch. 午饭. 午饭. 午饭你吃什么? 午饭你吃什么? I will eat instant noodles. 我吃方便面. 我吃方便面. Okay, it's all the words and sentences I shared. Now I gonna say bye-bye to everyone. Do you still remember hi everyone? It's 大家好. Now bye-bye is 再见. 再见. Okay, 再见.